got the new glass shark down the back there, guys. Well, did he hit the bin? No. Yo! We got 3 trucks, guys! Look at that! Glass shark, green bin shark, and the red bin shark right here. Yo, let's go! I know he's gonna back down here and get these bins. And I think I'm gonna have to move this one. But I think he can back that far. Yeah, no, he's not backing that far.